Hi guys, it's me Ritali. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing extremely fine. So finally I am here today with a full DIY video. तो आज के वीडियो में मैं 3 different type of DIY home decor बनाने वाली हूँ. So all the 3 are very easy. You can also try that at your home. सो आई होप आपको पसंद आएगा ये वीडियो. मैं बहुत दिनों से DIY वीडियो बनाने का सोच रही हूँ. एक बार बनाने का ट्राई भी की थी बट वो ड्यू टू सम रीज़न वो फेल हो गया था, तो नहीं बन पाया था DIY वीडियो. आई रियली लव डूइंग DIY. सो आई थॉट कि इस क्वारंटाइन में, इस लॉकडाउन में जो मेरे पास टैलेंट है मैं सारा दिखाने की कोशिश करती हूँ. लास्ट टाइम आई मेड अ प्लांट वीडियो, so this time I thought to make a complete DIY video. So that's it about this video. Before starting the video, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe and press the bell button and follow me on Instagram. That's it. Without any further ado, let's get started with the video.
So for this I have these colorful popsicle sticks, and first I'm gonna make the roof of the birdhouse by sticking 8 sticks into one side of roof with the help of Fevicol or hot glue. So this is the one side of roof. Now I'm gonna make the another side of roof with the same process. Next I'm gonna make the base of the house again by sticking 8 sticks, and here my hot glue was not working at that time actually, so that's the reason I'm doing with the help of Fevicol. As my base and roof are done, so next I will be making the pillar of the house with the help of 4 sticks sticking into 4 different corners of the house. Now I just need to put the 2 sides of roof on the top of the house like this. So I just try to stick the 2 sides of roof with a single stick in the middle just to make sure the roof will not break. And finally I'll put the roof on top of the house with the help of hot glue, and then I will put proper amount of hot glue just to make the house bit stronger. Yeah, that's the final look of this house, and this is how I have decorated this pretty house. So for this I have taken some colorful paper. You can take as per your choice. First open the paper completely and fold it to half and cut it. then fold the paper to half again and then cut it. Then again for the one last time fold it and cut it from the middle. And finally we have landed up with this, and then fold this as well and cut it into 4 equal parts. Take one part of paper and fold it like this. Then just cut the extra paper and tie the middle of the folded paper with a thread and make it bit tight. Cut the two sides of the paper into triangle shape. Once that done, just open the paper and you can see a flower shape is coming out. Then just pull one paper outside. Just do this process very gently, otherwise the paper can break. So these are the 12 flowers I have made out of 3 different colors, and I am gonna tie them with this jute thread. Finally I am gonna hang them on my white wall, and here Dilip is actually helping me for hanging those flowers. We decided to hang them into 4 different rows, putting 3 flowers in each row. You can customize it in any different way you want. I just completely love the way it turned out my plain white wall into so colorful. Next I am gonna paint a plain glass bottle. Actually I have already sticked some stick with the help of hot glue in a tree pattern, but I just forgot to switch on my camera at that time. Then I am gonna use a cotton ball and tap it on the bottle using black color. When that's done, I will take another cotton ball and tap it on top of this stick just to give a feel of tree. Then I have these small flower which I got from one of my old tiara, and I am gonna put them on top of the tree just to give it a finishing touch. Also I'm gonna put some leaf as well from that tiara, and it will give a complete look to the bottle.
So guys, that's it for this video. इतना ही था इस वीडियो के लिए. आई होप आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो. ये सारा DIY जो मैंने बनाया है सारे बहुत ही इजी थे. You can also try. इस टाइप का वीडियो और देखना चाहते हो then do let me know in the comment section below. और आपका इनमें से कौन सा फेवरेट है वो भी बताना कमेंट सेक्शन में. मुझे अच्छा लगेगा. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. मैं मिलती हूँ आप लोगों को मेरे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ, एंड that's it. Subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Press the bell button. Follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Good night.